Okay, once again, welcome to the second part of this tutorial series. So here we are in an HTML file, an index.html, and just for 1 second, let me just complete this and add the body tag there. Forgot to do that. Yep. All right. So basically, in this series, I'm going to show you how to link your style sheets to your CSS. Okay. All right. So basically, there's 3 ways of linking styles to your HTML. Sorry, not link style sheets to your CSS. Link style sheets to your HTML page. Right. So there's 3 ways of linking a style sheet to an HTML page. And the first one is actually just regular linking by doing in the title tag at the top here. So you just open a link tag, right, and give it a rel value, that style sheet, and you give it a href value, that is for example the location of wherever your style sheet is stored in. So in this case we haven't created the style yet, but we'll just call it style.css. We're going to create that in a moment. All right. Okay, and the second one is actually having a style tag inside of your header here. So you can put styles here inside, or you can actually link to a style sheet at this URL over here. And the third one is an inline style sheet, and that one you actually put it on the element that you want to style. For example, if you want to style this p tag, you're going to add a style attribute to it equal to, and then whatever you want to style. For example, if you want to give it a color of red, you're going to say color of red. Okay, so let's actually give this style sheet. Okay, sorry, we're going to actually remove this and put some text inside of this p tag here. So let's say paragraph, and then we're going to load that in our browser, and then we're going to see it without any styling. Then we'll come back and add styling to it. Okay. All right, so let's go in our browser here and say okay, so we've launched the browser. As you can see, this paragraph here is just a regular old text, and there's no styling to it. So let's go back and actually add that style that we just deleted. So we're going to say style equals to, let's say, color of red. Okay, everyone seems to like red. Yep, let's just go with that. All right, so now we've added the color red in line of that CSS. So if you refresh, you see this paragraph here has a color of red. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to add a style over here at the top. So let's remove this style here. Okay, let's do it at here, just so you know that it's we can put it there as well. So we're going to target the p element. So if you're doing it up here, you have to actually say what you want to style. So in this case, we want to style the p tag. If we did it inside here, we know that we're styling the p tag because it's an attribute of p. But up here, you have to tell it what you're styling. So let's say color blue, just so that we'll see that it's different, that's the style that's been applied. So if we refresh here, we should get the paragraph having the color of blue. So we refresh, and yes, that worked. Right, so let's go back in our file now. Let's remove this, and let's actually create this file, this css/style. Right, so let's come here and say new folder, call it css. All right, and then next we're going to say style.css. Okay, all right, so that worked. So now let's go in our HTML file over here and actually yeah, we've linked to this. So inside of our style.css, let's add a style there. All right, so what do we want to target? We want to target p tags, and how we do that is we did exactly as we did up here inside within our style attribute on the header here. So back in our style.css, we say we want to style the p, so we say color, we give it green. All right, so when we come here, if we refresh, we should get the paragraph having the color green. All right, so we've refreshed and the paragraph has a color of green. Okay, all right guys, so those are the 3 ways that you can link to your CSS files. So at the top here, that is link, and this one is header styling, and this one is inline styling. Okay, all right, so thanks for watching. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.